Hi guys, Sanjana here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a layout for the Clique design team and I'm going to be using the Keeping It Real sampler kit. I love this collection by Pink Fresh Studio and I've been wanting to use it since the day it came in my design team box. Here I am going through different papers from the kit and I narrowed it down to these three to finally this one right here. It is called A Little Chaos. I was very surprised that I decided to go with this as my background because I am usually a white cardstock mixed media kind of a girl. So it was very surprising that I decided to go with it. Now when I look back at it, I feel that it was those empty spaces which prompted me to add pictures and go forward with it. And all the pictures was backed by foam. I love the added depth and dimension that foam backing can give to a layout. And for the smaller circles, I wanted to add the handmade epoxy flare from Scrap and Happy Studio, which was a part of the kit. And I also wanted to add it tone on tone so that the yellow one can go on the yellow circle and the purple can go on the purple, so on and so forth. The next trouble with me was the title. I really wanted to use the phrase which said good vibes, which was a part of the phrase um in the sticker sheet, but it was yellow in color. And just because there was an element, as you can see above the title, which was yellow, it just clashed and it just blended in too much that I decided to go with the one which said love this. And the smaller alphabet you see right there is from Page Evans. I don't remember which collection. And the main inspiration behind this layout is was taken from one of the 9 prompts of self-care posted on Clique group. It is a challenge which was posted on the International Scrapbook Day. All the challenges are still on and are open till the end of this month. You can enter to win $325 store credit. You can also increase your chance of winning by entering in more than one prompt. I will link the post in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So as a final touches, I wanted to add few flowers and hearts from this phrase sticker sheet and also that paper heart which you can see below my title right there, which also came as a part of my kit. I love the extra depth and dimension that heart gave to my layout. And that's it guys, that's it for my layout, and here's few close-ups of my layout. So please do like, comment, subscribe to this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.